Hi everyone, how you all doing? I think I wanted to migrate your drafts from Google Docs to whatever CMS you use, and uh, you have to add the Markdown manually. Well, I'm here to tell you that that shouldn't really be the case. You can do it automatically, and if you are drafting with Google Docs, I'll teach you how you can automatically get the Markdown format of your drafts and simply paste it into whatever CMS you're using and publish your work. In the instant case, this is the draft I worked on CSS shorthands. And for you to do that, come to extensions. You can see add-ons. So you can click on get add-ons. This will bring several options for you to see various extensions in Google Docs and the one that you might like. So it has loaded. Now you can simply say Markdown. There are a couple of Markdown extensions around. But the one I prefer is the Docs to Markdown extension. Why? Because it just works for me, and that's simply it. Of course, it can be better in terms of UI, but then I'm not really paying to use it, so I think it's good enough. You can see Docs to Markdown, Markdown tools, the Pro, whatever. A couple of them. You can even see other extensions in my like AI video generator of a blog, stuff like that. Really interesting. But for me, this Docs Markdown just gets the job done, and it's what I use. You can simply click on it, install it. But before you install, you can try to read about it. You can see this is the overview. Then pricing, it's not a paid product, it's free or a premium. It's simply a very good extension, in my opinion, that I think you can use. You can simply come here, install it. I have it installed already, so let me teach you how you can now use it. In the instance case, you can come here and say, click on the extension, then come here, say convert, and that will bring up something. So our Markdown is ready. You can check it out here. Come to the top and click on Markdown. By the way, I think they take donations. You can, if you like to, then click on Markdown and it will generate it for you. If you're using this extension, you have to be quite patient a bit. It might take some time before it processes. But this is very impressive. Got processed within 1.5 seconds. That's very applaudable. For a product that I've not paid for, this is incredible. And what you do, you just simply copy everything and say you want to publish to dev.to. For instance, this is not a promotion for them, but I think it's a good blogging platform. I'll be using it. I'm simply showing it so you get to see that it's actually does work. By the way, it's there are a couple of bugs you can see. For example, this backtick during the conversion. Well, I think that's a minor issue anyway. And let's check out the preview. You can see this. You can see this. Everything is already in Markdown and it's rendering very well. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope this is very helpful for you and it makes your content creation more fun and, of course, smarter. If you love this, do also drop a comment. Share this with other developer advocates who create content assets, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.